जैसा मैंने कहा, you've been honored for your contribution, जो कि इंडियन सिनेमा के लिए आपने जो कुछ भी किया है, इतनी बड़ी बड़ी ब्लॉकबस्टर्स को बैक किया है सर, अभी बोलना क्या चाहेंगे when we've seen all these assets? और जैसा मैंने कहा, रिस्पांस पूरे देश दुनिया से has been brilliant, and right now also we are live across the nation, across the world, सब लोग हमें देख रहे हैं, क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
सबसे पहले तो मैं सूर्या जी और डायरेक्टर शिवा जी को बोलूँगा, इन्होंने हमको जुड़ने का मौका दिया, उसके लिए थैंक्स। ये फिल्म के साथ जुड़ के ज्ञानवेल राजा जब आए थे तब ये बहुत छोटी फिल्म बना रहे थे। अभी दिख रही है कि ये छोटी अगर है तो मुझे लगता है ये इंडिया की सबसे बड़ी फिल्म होने वाली है, क्योंकि जितनी मेहनत इन्होंने करी है पूरी टीम ने, अभी तक जितनी फिल्में हमने देखी है उससे इसका कंटेंट सबसे ऊपर है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर। और ये सर वो कहाँ से आता है, वो मिडास टच की अगर बात करें, कैसे पता लग जाता है कि यार इसी को मुझे बैक करना है, एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट्स गोना एक्चुअली बी सो ह्यूज?
ये एक्चुअली जब ज्ञानवेल राजा जी ने बोला था तो अभी सूर्या जी की पिक्चर इनको पता नहीं होगा शायद, ये टीवी में इतने बड़े स्टार है कि इनके साथ मतलब हमने जब सूर्या का नाम सुना कि ये सूर्या की फिल्म है तो हमने बोला ठीक है इसके पीछे लगते हैं, ये हमारे काम की पिक्चर है।
क्या बात है। ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच सर, प्लीज काइंडली बी सीटेड। अब आईड लाइक टू इनवाइट ऑन स्टेज, सर आए क्या ज्ञानवेल राजा साहब? He's still out. Okay, I'd like to invite on stage, ladies and gentlemen, the director Sahab. All I want to say is this man is a maverick, a filmmaker extraordinaire. इससे पहले भी जो भी किया है कमाल धमाल किया है. For the first time in Amchi, Mumbai, Siva sir के लिए told me, Surya sir told me that every single time you are around, वो खुशी अपने आप आ जाती है. People are really happy when you are in the vicinity, है ना? इतना प्यार मत दीजिए, है ना? So, Siva sir, first things first, whatever we saw on that big screen is out of the world. Talk to us about that, please. कैसे, how did it all happen?
Thank you so much for inviting me here. I cannot speak Hindi, but okay, I can converse English. So I'm very much excited to present my film, our film. I just want you guys to embrace it with love, and I need all your support and love. We have given our 100% to give everyone who is watching the movie a new experience, and whoever has watched the movie, everybody is saying that the movie is very good, and I would like to invite you all to the world of Kangua. Welcome to Kangua.
क्या बात है, शिवा सर के लिए जोरदार तालियां. इतने स्वीट इंसान. बॉबी सर बता रहे थे, सूर्या सर बता रहे थे, आपको हक कर लो तो आधी दिक्कतें तो वैसे ही खत्म हो जाती हैं. You said you don't know Hindi, just tell the audiences, everyone, I'll give you a line. आपको मजा आने वाला है. See, आपको?
Meaning is you're going to have fun,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
I understand. I watch a lot of Hindi movies.
No, I want you to say it to all the audiences out there. आपको मजा आने वाला है 14th को.
14th को आपको मजा आना वाला है.
अरे कमाल है सर. Give it up for Siva sir, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, sir, बहुत सारी बातचीत है जो आपसे करनी है. I have a lot of questions for you. We need to discuss a lot of things.
Sure.
But before that, sir, sit down, sir. I know you've been working really hard. The entire team is just putting in all into this release. We are about to, release the movie in 2 days. What do you have to say, sir?
Tomorrow, brother. Day after morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, really excited, brother. Really excited. Whatever hard work the Surya sir, Shiva sir, and team have done. Really excited to see the reception of the hard work with the audience.
Right. And I experienced it firsthand because we were connected to the world. America, London, Singapore, Malaysia, Australia, New Zealand. The kind of love this gentleman is getting, the kind of love this movie is getting is phenomenal. So what is that one thing that will always remain with you from Kangua? From this entire journey, just that one thing that will always remain with you, and of course, Studio Green.
Yeah, sir. What I see a lot is today bookings have opened in South.
Right.
And Kerala, not only Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka is trending like anything. From morning, whatever shows are done, in 4 hours, some 4 crore booking has happened in Kerala. Every hour a crore is happening.
Wow.
So,
wow.
The kind of love every state, every language people are giving is phenomenal. We are going to open by evening all the Hindi segments, all the bookings are going to open. So I'm just waiting, fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed, sir. And you're not just opening the bookings, you've just opened this iconic place also. This is the first time something is being played on this big screen here at Mirage IMAX Wadala. That's another big achievement, so congratulations to you and of course, team at Mirage. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to national award winning actor, producer and what not. You know, इनका जो आर्ट है वो सर चढ़ के हर एक ऑडियंस मेंबर के बोलता है, हर एक सिने लवर के सर चढ़ के बोलता है. And from national award winning actor, he is international hearts winning actor. Give it up for superstar Surya sir, ladies and gentlemen. Ruler of hearts, lover of hearts. Okay. So the impact that you've had on the audience like for so many years is something. Lekin tell us how does it all feel, because it's just 2 days. November 14th is when we'll get to see the movie in theaters.
Then thank you for this time, and I'll first apologize for a delay. It's not even Mumbai traffic, it is air traffic. We've been taking flights every day, excuses apart. Sincere apologies. We all value your time, but I couldn't have control over this to come here. So, I hope we have your love, still have your love. Thank you.
Always.
To all my family here, thank you so much for being part of Kanguva and voting for Kanguva and cheering for Kanguva. Kanguva has been a very, very special journey for me. After 27 years, it's only like we all feel like a responsibility to give back a epic film, experience film, just not a film which we can maybe watch later, but this has to be a film which we all can enjoy in the theaters, and that's why 3D, and that's why we've chosen a script or an idea like this. Of course, yes, it started with one state, but I think everybody from all over, all language-speaking people are part of this film, and that's why we call it an Indian film, and hopefully it will be a global, wonderful global watch also. Kanguva is releasing on the 14th. It is our baby. We need all your love and all your support. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, we've said enough. We've talked about the gentleman who's sitting here. He's a cheetah in real life. Siruthai Siva sir. Talk to us about him today when he's here with you. How proud are you of the fact that whatever we've seen on the big screen, taaliyan, seetiyan jis tarah se baj rahi hain. What do you have to say to this gentleman here, sir? One very personal thing that you would like to tell him.
They always say when you do something, some people say the journey is very important. Some say the destination is finally important. But I would say journey, destination, the most will be company. I think I really loved this company. I really loved this bond. It is just beyond a professional relationship. The first day I met him, the gentleman said, "Sir, we have not spent time with each other before. We are going to start a journey. You will be in my prayers. Your family will be in your prayers. And that's how I see you, and that's how I see this association." I think that I felt very, very special for me to have somebody who will do like anything and everything for the film, and also respect, mutual respect for each other in the team. Like in a marriage, it is just not because we are committed, we are just going to go ahead in life. We always have to have mutual respect for each other, appreciate each other, encourage each other, and see when they need support, be there for each other. I saw this journey like that. There was every day, there was like mutual respect for each other. I had to appreciate the entire team, not only Shiva sir, my cameraman, or Devsri Prasad, or my production designer, Milan, my master, Supreme Sundar, is also an National Award winner. So everywhere, everybody was able to pull each other up. And this is a new journey for us. We have never attempted something like this. We have not seen this world. We have not created something like this. It was literally like making our own path and making that journey happen. It's not like there's already a path and we're just following that path. It was like every time we were creating a path and then exploring this film. And 175 days was bliss. All I can say is I learned positivity from this gentleman, how to always think whatever is happening in life, it's for good. And it's become more a stronger philosophy in life for me. And he also says, just ignore negativity and don't give another person license to upset you or make you, change your mood. So these two things are very, very strong, influence for me. Apart from that, for one director to have a craft which he started as an editor at the young age, like almost 14, he started becoming an editor. Then he became a cinematographer, a gold medalist. He passed out as a gold medalist and specialized with green mat and blue mat, and also a wide knowledge with literature. In Tamil, you name any book, any writer, he's got it. He's got that wisdom. And for any director to keep the entire cast and crew and the actors happy is very, very important. Not a frown, not even a single day there was a frown on his head. There were 3,000 people working under him, and those 3,000 people will move a mountain for him. That's the kind of positive environment we had every day. Not even a one day was a dull day. Definitely no toxicity on the set. It was amazing. We all do films, life goes on. But this film set, and to be under him, to work under him, to do everything for him, it was a beautiful memory for me. And it shows, when you see the film, nobody saw time, nobody saw food, nobody said like, we are working for 10 hours. It was only for this gentleman, we wanted to give everything possible. It was pious, it was like a prayer room for us. Whenever we entered the set, it was like a prayer room, and we didn't have any other thought in mind. And he was able to do all that for us.
Thank you so much for sharing all of that. Ladies and gentlemen, Surya sir के साथ-साथ Siva sir के लिए भी एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Siva sir talking.
I started very early, sir. When I was 14, my cinema career started. So I was always dreaming to do different kind of movies with different genre, catering to different kind of audience. I respect my audience, sir, actually. They actually dictate the terms. They only get what they want, actually. So I was waiting for an opportunity to do this kind of a movie, epic kind of movie. God has been kind, and he gave me this wonderful opportunity, and he gave me fantastic hero and a great producer and great people like sir to support us. So everything was perfect, sir. And it is a dream of a filmmaker to do this kind of a movie, and the dream has become a reality, sir. I'm so happy. This moment, I'm very happy.
We often talk about Surya sir's calm demeanor. We say that he's always calm, smiling. What made you say that, okay, he is my Kangua, and I want to see him there, playing that character?
Even I didn't think of that, Nitin. Why he thought of me as Kangwa. Thank you for asking this last day, just before release.
See, look at his eyes, sir. Sir, remove your glass. I'll show them your eyes, sir.
I've not slept 20 days. Every day been taking a flight.
In spite of that, I know you are very tired because of the tour and all stuff, sir. But his eyes is an inspiration for this thing, sir. Actually, basically, the eye has to speak a lot of things, sir. Not always the mouth speaks, sir. Lip speaks, sir. Only the eye is the most important communicating tool in a face, sir, actually. So his eyes can transfer any kind of emotion, sir, actually. The movie which Surari Potu, what Saffron, okay. I just watched that movie, sir. I've seen all his movies, like Ayan, like Gajini, all those movies. He's a great performer. And the most important thing is he can communicate through his eyes, sir. This Udan, the movie, the entire movie, the intensity will be 100%, sir. The yearning, that craving for a success, that is there, no, sir. The fire in the eyes, right? It was there. So when I wrote the script, when I narrated the script, the way in which he reacted gave me so much of happiness and confidence, sir. And now I can only imagine so many things. Kangua is going to be like, I think we've got a fantastic performance. Like, the Kangua deserved Surya sir, actually.
Wow, sir. Wow. Zordar Thalia. Of course, talking about this grand scale, I think, Nyanvel Raja sir, you're still busy with your things. Talk to us about this grandeur. You know, the scale at which this movie has been made. It is one of the costliest movies of our country. And it's not just that. You know, a lot of emotions, a lot of hard work has gone into it. Talk to us about that, sir.
The kind of love everyone had, right from Surya sir, Shiva sir, the kind of respect they had towards each other, and kind of love they have towards cinema made this scale possible, sir. I think the same love what they gave for this movie, audience also will give for this movie, is what I'm really looking forward for the day after tomorrow's results, sir. So bookings are phenomenal down south, and same booking will transform to North India also, and the excitement after the first show will be phenomenal, because I had the excitement. I have traveled along with this film. Yes. I know what the story is, I know what the visuals are, and what we have done. Beyond that, every time Shiva sir edits something and shows me on his edit, every time I get goosebumps, every time I got excited. And watching it on the final version, really I'm very proud that I am a part of this film, and I am very happy for Shiva sir and Surya sir that this is going to take them to next level, and audience also will have a different level of experience after watching this film.
I'm sure, sir. I'm sure the kind of response the team has been getting across the globe, as I said. So you just came back from Riyadh? You were in Dubai, then Riyadh. You were covering the Middle East. Before that, again, Australia, America. You've covered everything virtually. So what do you have to say on that response? You know, क्या सुनने को मिल रहा है? किस type का response मिल रहा है?
It was lovely. Wherever we have traveled, to see the amazing response. People, like, of course, in Kerala and Hyderabad and Delhi, wherever we have been going, we do meet a lot of people, and most of the time in colleges and other public places, it's been young men, boys coming. But very few places, particularly in Kerala, in Hyderabad and Dubai and Riyadh, where you don't have house help, basically, and you do everything. And it was all weekdays. In Lulu Mall, to see a gathering of 8,000 on a weekday evening, and where the crowd started coming from 5 o'clock. It was all ticketed 2,000, but almost 8,000 plus people had gathered, and all family, like the women and children, means that love means a lot to all of us. When we went to witness that, it was like meeting family after a long time. It was like an emotional connect kind of with them, and all we want to do is give them that complete satisfaction, whatever the expectations are. I'm really praying and hoping we can meet those expectations and go beyond that in the theaters, of course, with the 3D, and to all the layers, to all the wonderful technicians here. I'm really hoping we can surpass that expectations and give a film which will stand against time. It will be a timeless film is my prayer.
I'm sure, sir, जैसे वो ज्वालामुखी फट रहा था ना, वही होने वाला है. ज्वालामुखी फटेगा. Sir, Sunraj Motion Pictures would like to, would want you to say something about this team and about this collaboration.
I won't ask, because I'm seeing the films through them. And Mr. Rahul, please, let me know what your thoughts and your first feedback.
I sent you a message before that itself. No, I think this is our first foray into getting associated with movies, and we and Surya sir we obviously co-own a cricket team. But having said that, I've seen his movies all through and the adaptations for it. But I think this was a great collaboration, the way the emotions that have come out. The important is the emotions, how he's captured it across. That's been fantastic.
So you'd like to add something to that?
Rahul has said
He said it. Man of few words. Okay. Sir, as a cine lover, Surya sir, abhi like at this moment, as a cine lover, when you
I think calm before the storm. trying to be as calm as possible and giving all positivity, just manifesting. And I just want everybody associated with this film to be really, really happy and proud. It just that in Tamil வந்து இன்னொருத்தங்களை சந்தோஷப்படுத்துறது தான் உண்மையான சந்தோஷம். When we make another person happy, that's what is true happiness is. I'm really hoping that happens with the film. Every film is like a baby for any creator, any technician. For this film also, we have given a lot of love, and hoping 14th will be a celebration for all of us.
I'm sure, sir. And Children's Day मना लेंगे, Adults Day मना लेंगे, सब मना लेंगे इसके संग. Siva sir, you'd like to add something to that? Like last thoughts अभी के लिए?
I'm very happy, sir, actually. I'm very happy, I'm very excited, and I'm very thankful and very grateful to God for giving me this opportunity to present such a movie to big people like this.
Nanuvel sir,
Same, sir.
before the release. Sir's already announced. He's already said the मजा आने वाला है.
Shiva sir didn't sleep for last 90 days, and I didn't sleep for last 30 days. So I think after seeing the result and seeing the audience excitement, I think we should take good rest.
You're not going to take any rest, sir. You'll be partying, and I know that you'll be partying hard.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll have a few questions, as sir said. So quickly, we'll take a couple of questions. Mic देंगे मैम को? माइक लेके भाग गए वो? समीना मैम.
Hi Surya sir, this is Samina from Rediff.com. My question is for you and Mr. Gada as well. Just moments back, you were revealing figures of advance booking for the movie. The Tamil and Telugu versions have been doing exceedingly well, but the Hindi version advance booking figures are lagging behind. And the film has been made with a mammoth budget of 300 to 350 crores. So what are your expectations? Do you think the film will be able to get the box office numbers?
Can I answer this, ma? I know the answer better.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Hindi hasn't opened, ma. Hindi we are opening by evening only. And multiplexes throughout.
There have been reports, sir.
Once again, anybody can report, ma. You want an answer or you want to
No,
follow
I
the
want
report?
the answer.
Yeah. The real report will come from the producer. Okay, ma. The PVR and all the multiplexes hasn't been opened throughout India. Even in Tamil Nadu and Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra, the PVR and multiplexes have not opened. Only the single screens has opened. You are feeling that way because single screens are more in South and multiplexes are lesser in South. Whereas it is in reverse in North India. The more 70% is multiplexes and balance 30% are individual screens. So once 5:30 or 6 or 7, they will open the multiplexes. Tomorrow you will tell me how good reception it is. Yeah.
I'm sure it will do
Yeah.
well
Yeah,
because
ma.
it looks quite promising.
Yeah, ma. Thank you.
Okay, my question is for you, Surya sir. What is it about the South industry? What is that X factor that drives this eagerness and desire to work with South directors, South actors, and the Indian film industry? I mean, what is it that the South industry has figured it out and got it right, while the Hindi films industry is still trying to figure out? What is that X factor?
I don't think that's true. I've been answered this. This is like family, and we always learn from each other. We appreciate each other and we learn from each other. It's not like somebody's done something which the other person is not aware of. For ages from 80s, all the Tamil films have been all remakes from Hindi. So it's just maybe a circle, maybe cleansing, maybe thinking aloud, what is needed. But I definitely promise, but it's only a wonderful collaboration which is happening after OTT. Because everybody from all the languages are aware of other content, they are able to reciprocate, they are able to appreciate, they are able to understand who's who and who's making this content, which industry is making what kind of film, or who's this director, or who's this actor. So that know-how has happened after the OTT completely, which exploded in 2019 to 21. So that gives us, earlier it was just watchers from the mobile phone, but now they know each and every technician by name. So they follow their work, which gives us opportunity to work with directors here. Because recently in 2-3 years, I've really met a lot of directors here in Bombay, otherwise in other states also, which gives a wonderful camaraderie. It's nice to collaborate with each other. An actor from there and a director from here, or a director from here and an actor from there. I think it's always family and we are learning from each other. It's not like we have an X factor and we have found out something and the other person is clueless. Never, never.
No, but we see a lot of collaborations happening right now. I mean, the Hindi film
Because that's
superstars
the
are
audience,
working big
the,
time with
the
these
reception,
South directors.
the acceptance the audience have given us. Otherwise, it was all restricted to maybe one language and one territory and one region. And because of, I would say, even goldmine films, I would even say mobile phones, where they started watching a lot of films. Now it's all little become organized. We are able to do releases or have North India theatrical release more in an organized way. Audience were always ready to watch our content, but the theatrical release is happening now in a better organized way.
And the remakes, South remakes have also been doing exceedingly well. Like Kabir Singh proves that. And so many other remakes that have done
अरे सर के
exceedingly
इतने
well.
सारे फिल्म्स हैं. He's the OG superstar, सिंघम, गजनी. ऐसे कैसे? अभी आप देखो कंगवा के साथ और क्या क्या होने वाला है. November 14th, समीना जी, we'll come to you and then we'll find out क्या लगता है आपको. Thank you so much. सर आइए.
Surya sir, my name is Nisha and I'm from CNN News 18. I have a question for you. The last cinema that we saw from Studio Green was Tangalan with Vikram sir. Do you think there will be a crossover where we can see you together?
Tangalan and Kangwa.
Yeah.
I think these are two different time eras also. I don't think they belong to the same timeline. We go a little more pre-civilization. There we have seen the British in Tangalan, but this is like kind of almost 1,000 years back, which is pre-civilization. I don't know, it's completely a different idea, a different thought, but we also have Kangwa 2 in line. So maybe the priority will go only to Kangwa 2. We leave you with a lot of questions. The climax of Kangwa 1 will have a lot of question marks and a lot of surprises. So Kangwa 2 is what I'm looking forward to.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
जयंती भाई आप साउथ में अच्छे से समा गए हो, हर हिट में आप उनका साथ देते हो, तो मुझे पूछना है कि सर ये आप फ्लोर पे जाने के पहले बैकअप करते हो क्या स्टोरी सुनने के बाद आपका बैकअप आ जाता है?
ये फिल्म की बात करें क्योंकि जब ये फिल्म आई हमारे पास फ्लोर पे जाने से पहले आई, करेक्ट ज्ञानवेल जी? सो मेरी टीम के साथ बात हुई और मेरी टीम को मैंने एक सवाल किया कि क्योंकि शिवाजी को मैं जानता नहीं था, तो मेरी टीम के क्वेश्चन किया कि इस डायरेक्टर की कितनी फिल्में फ्लॉप हुई है, तो उसने आंसर दिया एक भी नहीं हुई है. मैं बोला फिर ज्ञानवेल जी जो बनाते हैं उनको पैसे देते रहो.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है. देखा ऐसे आते हैं एकदम जवाब, लाइक गड़ा साहब के एकदम. सर किल कर रहे हो आप, जैसे कंगवा साहब इस स्क्रीन पे कर रहे हैं, आप यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच ladies and gentlemen, and thank you so much for the lovely interaction. हाँ आ रहा हूँ, एक क्वेश्चन और आ गया है यहाँ से, मैं भी चलेगा ना सर.
Recently moved to Bombay, and he just mentioned about you doing a film, meeting with Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra. So will we also see you do more Hindi films now?
They would have definitely approached me even if I was sitting in Chennai. I balance between both Chennai and Mumbai.
But Mumbai is second home now, so how does it feel to be in this city
I
now?
feel great. It's always I can't even say anything. It's my mother-in-law's place. I've been getting a lot of love. I'm happy kids have settled well here. They go to school here. I balance between Chennai and Mumbai, and life is good. It's a wonderful understanding. We have taken this decision, and it's really nice to meet a lot more people here. Maybe from Chennai, the meetings wouldn't have been so often, but here I'm able to meet a lot of wonderful people here, not only from the film industry, otherwise also. So having a good time here, man.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Wherever he is, content बढ़िया मिलता रहेगा, उसमें कोई कमी नहीं है. As वो fire वाला गाना है, of course, आग लगा देंगे is the word. All right, ladies and gentlemen, before we wrap this up and go downstairs for that dhamakedar pre-release event and some amazing performances, I'd like to invite on stage some really important people, and we'll start awesomeness. Talk to us about it.
There's a guy behind.
Okay, sir, please. Mr. Sharma, Amit Sharma Saab, the MD, talk to us about this iconic property. We are saying like this is the place to be for all premieres, for everything.
No, I first want to congratulate the team of Kangwa, and sir, I want to share one small story. Ganville is aware of that. You know, in the month of March, is it working right? Yeah. In the month of March, when we basically wanted to do this property, I told Ganville that we'll start the property with Kangwa, and it was mid of May. We were targeting. He told me mid of May we will come together. See, it's a destiny that both of the film and the property is actually getting launched on the same day. So thank you very much for all this
Pleasure,
love
sir.
and everything, and look forward the way the Kangwa goes and does the millions and millions of business, but at the same time the love and affection of the the people, the patrons, your fans. The same way, this iconic property, which was the first IMAX of India, and we tried making it beautifully. We tried making it with all our heart and soul. Hope the viewers actually also enjoys your film and all the films coming from all
I have
across
to
the
just
world.
mention about Miraj and our relationship. The minute I landed in Mumbai, they had a setup, full theater, all post-production studio, everything ready. I just walked in and took their office for rental. And now, on our release, they are opening this is some God's blessing in all the time. So, you should watch the IMAX main screen also. Phenomenal it is. The best what I
Let this
watched.
be a landmark place in Mumbai again. Let this be, have a lot of love. Let us receive a lot of love.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for that.